Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your TradingView chart if it is not moving in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, you just have to launch that particular chart which isn't moving, or if you are already on that particular chart which is not moving, the first thing to fix this particular issue you need to do is to simply refresh this page. You will see this type of refresh icon here on the top left hand corner of the screen. So you just have to click on it 2 to 3 times, and then you just have to see whether it is now working again or not. If it doesn't work again, you can just simply close your window and then you can reopen the charts layout. Sometimes the browser caching or a stuck indicator can freeze the candle updates. So this is the first thing that you need to try. Afterwards, you just have to see whether you are in the real time data. So if it shows you this type of green icon here on the top, it means that basically whether you are in the real time or data is delayed. So here, as you can see, it is showing that data is delayed and it is 10 minutes delayed because of the exchange requirements. So sometimes on the chart that you are basically analyzing, you may find some of the delays. So in this situation, you just have to wait for some time, or you can open another chart from the another broker of the same ticker. So after doing this, you just have to check whether you are using any replay mode. So sometimes we do back test and we use this replay feature. So we think that we are basically analyzing the chart and we are in the past analysis. So if you are using the replay button, just make sure that you are using the back data or the real time data. So here, with the help of these few methods, you will be able to definitely fix your TradingView chart if it is not moving. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.